Good morning.
It's kind of, it's rough looking.
It's okay.
But good morning.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Get ready with us for our day. I'm just thinking about, that's mine.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just thinking about, I'm thinking about when people thought we were lesbian lovers.
It looks like it right now.
It really does. Anyways, guys, meet my sister Ashley. Ash said she had nice eye masks, and before I do my makeup, I want to wear them. Ooh, what else do we got in here? This reminds me of when we switched houses. Oh, I've been wanting to try this.
I do it every Thursday if you want to join me.
Every Thursday. I have the Maestro, which I really like. What's the Road? Wait, when did you get this? Did they send this to you?
No, I wish. They don't.
You bought it?
They reached out to me.
Glazing Milk.
And said they would send it to me, and then they never did.
Essence.
And then I just had to know.
I want to start using Essence, but the one, what's the Korean brand?
The 7-7.
Yeah.
Korean one?
Yeah,
I
the
want to try
Korean
it too.
one.
I almost bought it, and I told myself I have to go through those before I'm allowed to.
I do that all the time. I'm like, I don't love this product, but I'm going to use it up to then buy something else. I mean, I feel like everyone does that, but then it feels like a reward. I love how I'm just stealing all your shit right now. What's this? Oh, the Rare Beauty.
I wear it on like workout days.
I love a body spray. Just a body.
I have that or my Sol de Janeiro. I'll wear it before I work out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I saw this girl actually the other day too. I was like, wait, that's like great the way that she was doing it. She was just so chill, talking like this while she was getting ready, but she also was like unboxing something at the same time.
I'm down to play. I'm down to like, I always need something else to be doing. Because I feel like if I'm just talking to a camera with lights, I get very like
overwhelmed.
Yeah, I just feel like it's old YouTube. So yeah. Anything else that you feel I should do more of or less of, or you're like, let's just try this. I definitely feel like it's less of the content and more of just the presentation of it. Like it's more of like that. So like even while I'm getting ready after this, I'm down to do one.
I'm wondering if you would even be down to do, you know, those like photo carousels one. I know you tried that when I was on break.
Oh, I did. But I was, yeah. I definitely.
Those get views. It's just with the music right now on TikTok, we just have to be super selective because they've been muting a lot of people's.
Yeah, it honestly, when they muted everything, it made me so glad that I didn't do that many sound things because I was like, damn, like this is what sucks. Like you lose all your content, you know? You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. I whipped out my mirror I used to have over here because I was just like, I want to see if I like the lighting way better, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks way better, but is this mirror gonna fall in 2 seconds? Maybe. Ashley helped me get it up here and she basically was like, you're dumb because if this is gonna fall. And I was like, you insinuated dumb. She said, I don't like it. I don't like it. While I was getting ready, I had a phone call and it went really well. Had a little meeting. I've been using the Kiss Impress lashes for honestly months now. I haven't touched lash glue in so long, but we're going to, I don't know, I just felt like changing it up today. So we're gonna whip out these babies. I can't believe I used to put on false lashes like every single day. Like it was part of my makeup routine every single day, like a full lash. I feel like I did that really bad. Note to self, don't have caffeine before putting on false lashes. I could literally never be a surgeon because my hands would be like, wait, why did that one do so much? That one's so much better than the other one. I just uploaded on TikTok. I have a series where it's like just shouting out creators I think deserve more followers or subscribers or something, and I just put it up, and this is one of my favorite series to do because it's so, I don't know, I love reading the comments on it, and then, you know, hopefully it helps people subscribe. But I just posted one. You should go watch it. Okay, I'm starving. I've been posting a little bit on my stories that I've been doing Pilates lately with Ashley, and we've been waking up early. It's been kicking my ass. In a good way though. I feel like I'm sore, but I'm definitely way hungrier throughout the day. Anyways, we're making lunch. I'm gonna do a wrap today. We're gonna do some mustard, turkey. Oh my God, memory unlocked. When you were growing up or like going to school, what kind of sandwich would you have? Because I was all about, well, first in elementary school, I was all about a bologna sandwich, which shit on it if you want, but I loved it. I loved it so much. Then like middle school, high school, I was obsessed with the turkey sandwich and that was my go-to. Ashley would always get a PB&J, but I just felt like that wasn't as like filling. I was that friend who would eat my whole lunch, like my 2 sandwiches and everything. And then if my friend wasn't finishing theirs, I'd be like, you gonna finish that? Like I just, oh my God. My dad's the same way though, so I feel like it's kind of a genetic thing. I don't know. Little pepperoncini. Okay, I said a wrap and this is like a massive taco. Made it too full. Okay, wait, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Thanks for watching Cooking with Alisha. Until next time. The last like 20 minutes was so stressful. I completely forgot that I had a facial appointment. I like ran upstairs, took off all of my makeup, got in the car and came on my way. So, because I was gonna be late. And then I double checked the text and I had 30 more minutes. I was actually 30 minutes early, so I didn't need to rush. But it got me out of the house and now we're here early, which is awesome. Love being early. So long story short, I'm now 20 minutes early. But at least we're here. I can't believe I almost forgot that. Normally I'm always so good with my calendar. I don't know what happened. I think it glitched. Because I remember putting in, I must have put it on the wrong day or something because it was not on my calendar. I would have never got ready this morning if I knew I had a facial because what's the point of putting makeup on for not that long? But that's okay. Jump scare. It looks, this looks so crazy. But I just left and oh damn it, I missed the elevator. I look like Freddy Krueger. That's not cool. I have on this like intense gel mask that I have to leave on for like 40 minutes. I'm so sorry if this is hard to look at. Like I feel like it does look a little weird. And the worst part is having to drive home, knowing people see and they're like, what is on that girl's face? But like, we just don't make eye contact with them. We don't make eye contact with them. You know what else was embarrassing was the fact that I needed the guy to help me park my car because it was too big for the spot. I couldn't do it. I don't know why I glitch. Like I actually am a good driver. I'm a good parker. Like I can parallel park. I can do all the things. But knowing that there were like 5 people watching me at this specific valet, and all of the cars were next to each other, I like glitched and I don't know, it suddenly looks like I didn't know how to drive for my life. Slightly embarrassing. It's okay. But anyways, just left Sarah's. I'm so glad I remembered about this appointment because it's so hard to book with her. I would have been like so sad. Anyway, we are headed home and I think we're gonna listen to a podcast on the way. Comment below podcast recommendations. I feel like I always need new podcasts, but I miss being obsessed with one specific podcast. Do you know what I mean? What are they doing here? Good morning, guys. It's a few days later. Also, my skin is still it's still peeling. Don't mind that, but it feels way better. Although I don't feel better. I feel like I'm fighting a cold. Like I feel it in my chest. And Ashley was just sick and I really thought I didn't catch it, but it's looking like I did. Anyway, this is so random. I've been wanting to do something like this for so long and I figured even if it turns out like shit and I don't like it, it'll just be like a fun crafty DIY thing to do. But I kind of been wanting like a fashion pin board of just like a real life Pinterest board that I can just put inspiration and stuff. And I was gonna buy like a huge like board for it and then they were so expensive on Etsy and I'm really looking at it, I'm like, I can make this. So I took a old canvas that I had in the garage. There's like rosy hair all over this now. I should have filmed me doing this because I just did it, but I bought linen and just wrapped the whole thing. Then on Pinterest, I actually printed out at CVS a ton of photos and just like, photos and inspo and just different pics that I liked. obviously, we had to do that one. But like less of a vision board and more of like fashion inspo, even like some makeup looks or even pieces of clothing I own, so that way it can kind of inspire me to make certain outfits myself. So this is one of me for a fitting, but I'm like, oh, I love that outfit. Like I want to wear it more, and I'm so visual. So I have some, like, oh, like this has been something I've had pinned since last year, and I haven't recreated it. I'm like, I need to physically see stuff, even like just putting bows on your jeans. Or again, like pieces that I own. So there's really not that many of me. There's just a lot more, it's just more fashion-y. It's less vision board and more like, let's play with outfits. I told you guys one of my goals for 2024 was just to like do more fashion content, and not even like trying to be a fashion influencer, just showing my style more and me playing with my style more, because it's something I thoroughly have always enjoyed my entire life. And I'm not saying I want to do styling videos, but I feel like I'm a good stylist when I actually take time to plan outfits. So needless to say, all of this is just to kind of inspire me, and then the whole point is that I can change things out whenever. So it's kind of, you know, just like a Pinterest board in real life. I kind of went crazy on Amazon. If you care for like stationery or like that type of stuff, I'll have everything that I can find linked down below if for whatever reason you want to do the same thing. But I also just bought some like ribbon. These are like 2 little spools of ribbon. Then I got these like wooden tacks, because at first I was like, do I want color? I was like, no, I don't think just clear, but clear I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna step on it. So I was like, let's get like some colored ones. And then I came across these wooden like little push pins, like thumbtacks, and I thought that was super cute. Oh, and it's a rainy day. I feel like this is perfect. I have a craft to do today. I got more ribbon, because obviously like ribbon's a huge trend right now, and I was like, let's just like play. Let's be a kid and play. I also got these tacks, which are magnetic. So I'm gonna play with that, and that will be nice because then I don't have to punch so many times in there, and it'll be easier to change things out. And then I finally invested in actual like Tailor Scissors, shears that are actually meant for cutting fabric, and like they're, you know, better than my other ones. So I have no vision. I'm just gonna play. I hope this is interesting for you. I don't know. I always get random hyperfixations, and this was one. I was on the treadmill and I was like, I'm just gonna order so much like push pins and all these things. I literally printed so many, so we definitely don't need to put all of these on here, but like how cute. I feel like it's gonna be really cute. Like, this all white, so good. This is another thing I saw. I'll show you guys everything. There's just so many little things where I'm like, oh my God, that's such a good idea to use a tie as a belt, and I haven't done it yet, but hopefully when I'm getting ready, we'll just have all of the inspo of things that I'm liking. Also this glam, like, love. I was curious how this works. Okay, so basically, the magnet ones have a little thumbtack, but then it comes with this that you can pin, so that way you don't have to constantly pin things. Like, let's put this like here. Okay, boom. Okay, wait, this is sick. Also, I'm gonna scream if literally everyone knew about these and I'm just like the only person who didn't. So we have our pins, and then we can just, wow. I love how some actual fashion student is watching this like, oh my God, babe, like we had to do that to get into school. You know what I mean? Like, I'm sorry, even this is such an easy DIY necklace. Like literally you can get 99-cent ribbon and just put a little charm on it. Why haven't I done that? We don't need to spend, you know, $50 on something like we can do it. Iconic, this is a yes. I feel like I can do the smaller version of that. I don't want to cut them out. I just want to like, I don't want it to be too much work. I'm obsessed with this. I feel like this just has to, oh wait, I think I got one of me and her. Yep, this is dumb. This is crazy. Love this. I think that's a yes. Oh, this was supposed to say gratitude. Oh, like I'm sorry, this is amazing. Love. Somewhere we have some progress. I added a necklace to this, which I think adds so much. So then I had the idea, I was like, oh, I guess I could get like more jewelry. For instance, I'm loving pearls right now. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I like the idea of putting jewelry and stuff, like actual accessories on it too. I also remembered we had this Polaroid book, so I was like, oh, it'd be cool to like throw a few Polaroids on there. A lot of these are from Parallel Apparel, but I'm like, what's inspiring me? Like what, I mean, I do like that outfit. All right, I think I'm happy with it for now. I kind of like the fact that it doesn't feel fully finished because I want to like continue adding to it. So I think we're good for now. Also, I know I keep talking about this, but I'm obsessed with these magnet push pins because you don't actually have to poke like a hole in the photo. Like you just lay it on. Oh my God. Anyway, obsessed, loving this vibe direction that we're going. Hopefully it like, you know, inspires me a little more and hopefully this gave you a good DIY idea. I love it. I have this huge open spot on this wall. I think I want to have it hung there. Ideally, I would love to have it framed, but I think I'm just gonna hang it for now. I do need to clean this entire corner, so maybe that's good motivation to clean it. Huh. Oh, I already love it. Okay, wait. I feel like that's actually a good height because it's so big. Let's hope I don't hit a water pipe. Okay. Ah, shit. I think I should have moved it a little over. All right. It's been like 10 minutes or so. Cleaned up. Honestly, don't mind the cords here. I don't want this table here forever, but I put it there for now because I don't want it to go in the garage. And honestly, I'm liking it. I'm not kidding. I literally feel like I'm in my DIY era because I'm telling you guys like, oh my God, here's like an affordable. Honestly, this was so cheap to do. The main cost was like printing the photos. I think that was like, what, $15 maybe? Granted, I did have the canvas already at home, but I got it from Marshall's for like, I think it was like 12 bucks. Like it was on clearance because I was just gonna cover it anyway. I was just thinking of when I was young and I had a bulletin board in my room and I had like concert tickets or like my like Disneyland ticket or like whatever like little things, and it's just funny how we've grown and we've matured, but at the same time like we still do it's the same idea. I do, however, want a frame. Comment below if you think it should be a white frame so it matches the room, or part of me is thinking a silver frame could be really cool, but I will say everything in this room is like white furniture. I guess other than like this is technically silver. I don't know, I feel like silver could be really cool. Like a very like antique rustic looking frame. I feel like that'd be really sick. Guys, my vlogs have been so long lately and I'm like, wow, I really made a 20-minute vlog about a fashion board DIY. I hope you didn't hate it. I hope you liked it. And also I never got sick. The next day I woke up and I was like feeling totally fine. So it was awesome. But ending the vlog. Love you all so much. Love you. Mwah. Bye.
Is it?